Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. In this video, I will discuss what is AI, ML and DL. When we talk about the AI, there are two words. One is artificial and other is intelligence. Artificial means man-made and intelligence means thinking power. So we can say AI is man-made thinking power, right? And ML and DL, these are the subfields. When we talk about AI, AI is assigned to assist humans, improve efficiency and reduce efforts in daily life. So I will dive deeper into AI, ML and DL. So go to the computer screen. Through slide by slide, I will discuss today's topic elaborately. So let's dive in. So friends, today I will discuss introduction to AI, ML and DL. So we will learn what is AI, ML and DL step by step, right? So when we talk about this AI, it consists two words. One is artificial and other is intelligence. Artificial means man-made, intelligence means thinking power. So we can say in that way AI is man-made thinking power. ML is a machine learning and DL is the deep learning, which are the subfields. So we can say making machines think and act like humans, which is, we can say, the AI, right? Now at first we should know what is AI. Artificial intelligence simply means making machines think and act like humans. It is like teaching a computer to see, listen, learn or even make decisions just like we do. AI means making computers act like human brains. AI allows machine to learn, solve problems and make decisions. AI can see through computer vision, hear using speech recognition and understand using NLP, natural language processing, right? Now we should know the birth of AI. In the year 1956, the event Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, who led by the John McCarthy, also known as the father of AI. The term artificial intelligence was used for the first time. And what is the goal? To explore whether machines can simulate human intelligence. But unfortunately, McCarthy died in 2011 at the age of 84, right? Now we should know the scope of AI. The scope of artificial intelligence is vast and growing rapidly across nearly every industry today's world is concerned, right? Here is a broad overview of its current and future scope. So key domains and applications like everyday use like voice assistants, recommendations, smart devices, healthcare for disease detection, drug discovery, virtual assistants, automotive, self-driven cars, smart traffic, driver assistance systems, finance and businesses, fraud detection, AI chatbots, market predictions, education, personalized learning, AI tutors, assessment, automation, agriculture, smart irrigation, crop monitoring and yield prediction, right? Manufacturing field, predictive maintenance, industrial automation, governance and security field, surveillance, legal AI and predictive policy, right? Now should know the real life examples of AI. Face unlock in smartphones, chatbots and virtual assistants like Alexa and ChatGPT, movie or video recommendations on YouTube or Netflix, self-driven cars like Tesla, online shopping recommendations also in Flipkart or Amazon like that, right? how AI works. This flow diagram is given. The data means the historical data through which a model of AI is trained, then learn. So using this historical data or past data, the model learns and then predicts on that basis what will be the outcomes, what will be the result. And improve means over time model improves, right? Model keeps improving with feedback and new data, right? So AI learns from data like we learn from experience. It uses that learning to make smart decisions. AI is a loop of learning from data, making predictions and improving with experience just like human. So AI is assigned to assist humans, improve efficiency and reduce efforts in daily life. So we can say AI is not the replacement of humans, it just assists the human for better result and better prediction, right? So what are the different types of AI? AI can be categorized into three types based on its capabilities. One is narrow AI, also known as ANI, specialized tasks like Siri, Google Assistant, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, like that. General AI, AGI, human-like intelligence, is a future possibilities, right? Super AI, ASI, also known as hypothetical AI, surpassing human intelligence. So fast narrow AI is still working in the world and we are just on this field of AI, narrow AI. This type of AI we are just using and this flavor is we are just going through nowadays. But general AI and the super AI, this is just a theoretical concept which is still not persist in real world, right? Now we talk about the very important part, AI versus machine learning and deep learning. I am already told this machine learning and deep learning are actually the subfields. Actually machine learning is the subfield of AI and deep learning is also the subfield of ML, means the machine learning, right? Actually the data, when we talk about some level data or unlevel data, when a data have a particular level, means we know on the basis of the input what will be the output. This is the level data, and when we doesn't know and what will be the output on that basis, not indirectly interrelated, then we can say it's an unlevel. Like when a picture we are just give a label is a cat or dog, then we can say it's a level data. And when a picture we doesn't give any label or any name for cat, dog, tiger, deer, whatever, then this type of data is known as the unlabeled data. So we talk about more on this in my next video, so keep watching Technical Arpen, right? So AI is a broad field focused on creating intelligence machines. Machine learning, known as ML, is subset or subfield also of AI that enables machines to learn from data. Deep learning, a subset of ML using neural networks to simulate human brains functions. When we categorize any problem, then we can choose it should do through the ML or which it should do through the DL according to the complexity of the problem. If the problem is more complex, then we go for the neural network, means using the deep learning. And also two other things I will discuss in my next video. One is the supervised learning and is the unsupervised learning. Machine learning and deep learning both can do this supervised and unsupervised learning, but we know some wrong belief. Machine learning is only do the supervised learning and DL is done by the unsupervised learning. It's a wrong belief. Both can do the supervised and unsupervised learning. So I will talk about this more in my next upcoming video, right? And another thing you should know for machine learning and deep learning is concerned, we say it's a subfield. Actually, when as a beginner we can say it's a subset. When as a researcher or academician we can say it's a subfield, right? Now if we conclude today's video on the basic part of the introduction of AI, ML and DL, so you can say AI is the science of making machines think and act intelligently. It learns from data, makes predictions and improves over time. ML and DL are powerful tools that make AI smarter. We have just started scratching the surface. The future is limitless. So in my next video, I will dive more deeper into machine learning. So keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane. If you have some doubts or any queries, just write in the comment section. In this video, I will try to solve this problem. So keep watching Technical Arcane. Thank you and bye bye.